Today, we have a special community to share with you that offers a unique type of property that marries the benefits of a ranch-style home with the convenience of condo living. Welcome to Courtyard at Cascades. Now first, let's talk about the location. And this neighborhood is perfectly positioned just outside of the city limits of Myrtle Beach. And yes, that means lower taxes. However, you're still just a short drive to the sandy shores of the Atlantic Ocean. In only 4.8 miles, you'll be at the Myrtle Beach State Park, where you can go to the beach, fish off of the pier, or walk the nature trails. And another popular place nearby is the Market Common, which is just 3.3 miles away. And whether you're craving gourmet dining, shopping till you drop, or catching a movie, the Market Common is where it's at. It's got an urban chic feel, but still keeps it cozy, kind of like this community here at Courtyard at Cascades. Now, let's not forget about the perks right here in this neighborhood. And Courtyard at Cascades features amazing amenities like a sparkling pool and even a clubhouse that's perfect for social gatherings or just chilling with neighbors. It's like a vacation every day of the week right here at your home. Okay, are you ready to talk about the homes here themselves? And as you see, they look more like semi-detached homes. The building is only one level with only a few homes in each section. And the front porch is inviting, but the more exciting part is what you're getting in the backyard. Wait, before we get into that, have you hit that subscribe button yet? If not, make sure to do so and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on our weekly videos. Let's go in and take a peek inside one of these gorgeous homes first. As you will see, as you walk in, you have a beautiful bedroom with vaulted ceiling on the right. Next to this bedroom, you have a spacious full bathroom with a vanity and tub shower combo, which is the perfect spot for guests visiting or staying overnight. And across the hall from that full bathroom, you have another bedroom. And as you go further, the home opens up into your sizable living area. And as you see, the end unit gives you extra windows on the side of the home, which lets in tons of natural light. There is plenty of space for a formal dining table right off of the large kitchen, which, by the way, is a dream with tons of cabinets for storage, loads of countertop space, and a huge sink. Just off the kitchen is the laundry room, which houses a closet with plenty of space for all of your pantry items. Some of the homes here have this extra space, which is either a screen porch or, like this one, what we call a Carolina room. You'll love all of these windows and the door that leads to the amazing outdoor space. And we'll get to that in just a second, I promise. But first, let's go into the master bedroom suite. And this bedroom features a private ensuite bathroom with a vanity and shower. Next to that, you have a glorious sized walk-in closet, and the expansive bedroom area itself also showcases a stunning vaulted ceiling. Okay, let's take a look outside in between the Carolina room and the two-car detached garage. you have this private and serene getaway, the perfect place to relax or entertain or garden. And yes, this is your private garage, and not many condos around here have that, especially not one that is two-car and so conveniently located to your home. Do you like this home? It actually happens to be available for purchase right now. So contact us today to schedule a showing. And I'm going to put a link to this home in the description below so you can learn more about it. And after looking through this home, you might also have forgotten that this is considered a condo. That's right. The HOA is currently $365 per month and includes water, sewer, trash, pest control, basic cable, main building insurance, landscaping, and lawn maintenance. And of course, it also includes that beautiful amenity center that we discussed previously. So if you are dreaming of a place where beach days and local hotspots are part of your everyday life, here at Courtyard at Cascades, in the Azalea Lakes community, it's calling your name. All right, thanks for joining us on our tour today. And before you go, we'd love it if you'd leave a like on this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on one of our weekly videos. Got questions about this community or anything else? Drop a comment below or reach out to us directly. We'd love to help you out.
Hereda team to help you buy a house. Hereda team also helps you sell your house.